In this video you can see how to pair the sensors on the TireMoni TM-240 and 260. This is the third step in the programming of the TireMoni. Press the left button until the menu appears. You have to select menu E here. Press 4 times briefly on the left button. This will bring you to the selection Add New Sensor. Jump into the menu by pressing the right button. The arrangement of the wheels of your chosen vehicle now appears on the screen. All wheels are shown in dashed lines. Insert the batteries into the sensors one after the other. For each sensor, the icon now changes from dotted to 4/5 full. Here, sensor number 3 was just programmed. When you're done, press the ESC key and exit the menu. This brings you back to the starting menu. Pressing the ESC key saves the settings and exits the menu. The device restarts and is ready for use with your settings.